अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज की हम इस वीडियो के अंदर जो है चैप्टर 1 इंट्रोडक्शन टू बायोलॉजी, इसके जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं उनको डिस्कस करेंगे, जो बार बार एग्जामिनेशन में पहले आ चुके हैं। सबसे पहले जो फर्स्ट हमारे पास क्वेश्चन है उसमें हम जो है वो कॉलोनियल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कैन बी ऑब्जर्व इन ऑप्शन ए मीबा, ऑप्शन बी जुगलीना, ऑप्शन सी फ्रॉग, ऑप्शन डी बुलवॉक्स। द आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी बुलवॉक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the founder of medicine is option A Abdul Malik Asma'i, option B Bu Ali Sina, option C Al Jahiz, option D Jabir bin Hayyan. The answer is Bu Ali Sina, option B. Next one, if a scientist is studying the method of inserting human insulin gene in bacteria, which branch of biology may this be? Option A biotechnology, option B pharmacology, option C physiology, option D anatomy. The answer is biotechnology, option A. The next one, similar cell organized into group and performing same functions are known as tissue. Option A, option B, organelle, option C, organ, option D, organ system. The answer is option A, tissue. Next one, which of the following is a subcellular structure? Option A nervous system, option B epidermis, option C heart, option D mitochondria. The answer is mitochondria. The next one, the simplest level of organization of life is option A atomic level, option B molecular level, option C cellular level, option D subatomic level. The answer is option D subatomic level. Next one, inside the nucleus of an atom are present. Option A electron only, option B proton only, option C proton and neutrons, option D neutrons only. The answer is proton and neutron, option C. Next one, the most famous book of Bu Ali Sina is option A Al Nabatat, option B Al Ibl, option C Al Kanun fil Tib, option D Al Hawan. The answer is option C Al Kanun fil Tib. Next one, individuals of the same species live together and make a option A community, option B population, option C biosphere, option D ecosystem. The answer is option B population. Next one, study of tissue level help in the understanding of option A interaction among different species, option B role of cell in the function of a tissue, option C structure of cell, option D effect of abiotic factor. The answer is option B role of cell in the function of a tissue. The next one, member of the same species live in the same place at the same time make a option A population, option B biosphere, option C habitat, option D community. The answer is option A population. Next one, the microscopic study of tissue is called option A planetology, planetology, option B morphology, option C histology, option D physiology. The answer is histology. Next one, the most abundant component of a living organism is option A nitrogen, option B carbon, option C oxygen, option D hydrogen. The answer is option B carbon. Next one, multicellular organization can be observed in option A amoeba, option B euglena, option C frog, option D volvox. The answer is frog. The next one, the scientific name of mustard plant. Option A Rana tegrana, option B Rana capacitor, option C Brassica capacitors, option D Brassica tegrana. The answer is option C Brassica capacitor. Next one, process which occur in large intestine is option A ingestion, option B digestion, option C egestion, option D assimilation. The answer is egestion. Next one, many tissue join to form option A cell, option B organelles, option C organs, option D organ system. The answer is organs. The next one, the art of gardening is included in the profession of option A horticulture, option B agriculture, option C farming, option D forestry. The answer is horticulture, option A. Next one, division of labor is not present in option A frog, option B rose, option C volvox, option D mustard plant. The answer is volvox, option C. Next one, the level of organization that is less definite in plant is option A organ system level, option B tissue level, option C individual level, option D organ level. The answer is organ system level, option A. Next one, example of a plant tissue is epidermal tissues, option A, option B nervous system, option C epithelial tissue, option D muscular tissue. The answer is option A epidermal tissue. Next one, which of this major bioelement in the highest percentage in protoplasm? Option A oxygen, option B hydrogen, option C nitrogen, option D carbon. The answer is option A oxygen. Next one, the study of insect is called option A fisheries, option B animal husbandry, option C entomology, option D biotechnology. The answer is entomology, option C. Next one, the number of elements which occur in nature is option A 105, option B 90, option C 91, option D 92. The answer is option D 92. Next one, the study the organism from economical point of view is called option A biogeography, option B biophysics, option C biomathematics, option D bioeconomics. The answer is option D bioeconomics. The next one, Which of the following function match with the function of stomach? Option A, partial digestion of the polysaccharides. Option B, digestion of lipids. Option C, absorption of digested food. Option D, melting of lipids. The answer is melting of lipids, option D. Next one, the example of biochemistry is option A, cost value of yield of crops, option B, metabolism of photosynthesis, option C, analysis of data, option D, none of above. The answer is option B, metabolism of photosynthesis. The next one, starch, protein and lipids are known as the type of option A, micromolecule, option B, macromolecules, option C, compounds, option D, complex molecule. The answer is option B, macromolecules. Next one, the famous book Al-Nabatat was written by option A, Abdul Salam, option B, Bu Ali Sina, option C, Abdul Malik Asmai, option D, Jabir bin Hayyan. The answer is option D, Jabir bin Hayyan. Thank you for watching.